John says, if you have a physical location on a GBP that serves a community in a large city of 1.4 million, do you put your service area as the city or use the main community and surrounding communities as the service area? You're talking about when you designate the service area in the Google Business Profile, that doesn't really have much of an effect anymore. I generally do, you can do all the different like locations and town names and stuff if you want. But generally I just do the broadest area. So the metropolitan area or the county. A lot of the times the city is enveloped, right, by a larger county. So a lot of the times I'll name the county and then the city as well. Just an example. But yeah, that's not nearly as important as it used to be. Defining the service area is not, because Google ignores that, right? You can set a really large service area and Google's going to ignore that. It's only going to show your Google Business Profile in a, the narrow kind of proximity that it shows now. But yeah, again, I used to get very granular on assigning service areas, like all the way down to a zip code level or a town name or city name. And then I would add all the city names within tree service contractors generally have large service areas. So I would spend a lot of time, talking about years ago, I would spend a lot of time assigning all of the locations within their service area into the service area designation in the Google Business Profile. And it was a lot of work to do that. And I found I think it had like over the years that's become less effective. So now I just do the county, or if there's, sometimes tree guys cover multiple counties and we just put the county names in, and that's basically it. Okay.